Today, we're introducing the G Flip, a compact and innovative C0 class drone, specially designed for stunning cinematic shots and an optimized user experience. This little tech gem stands out with its foldable propeller guards, unique design, and user-friendly simplicity that's perfect for all skill levels. With its minimal footprint and amazing performance, the G Flip is shaping up to be a must-have for drone enthusiasts. If this drone has already caught your interest, be sure to check the link in the description to learn more and take advantage of the available offers. G Flip Sleek. Flip impresses with an ingeniously compact and elegant structure. When folded, it measures 6.5 by 5.5 by 2.4 inches, perfect for any bag. Unfolded, it reaches 11 by 9.5 by 3.1 inches, ready for adventures, 28x24.x8 cm. Propeller guards ensure safety. G Flip weighs 0.55 pounds. They also provide optimal safety by preventing any accidental contact. Weighing 249.2 grams, the G Flip is in the ultra-lightweight drone category, complying with regulations. The G Flip is packed with impressive features. Its camera is mounted on a mechanically stabilized gimbal with 3 axes. It captures 4K videos at 60 frames per second and offers the option for 4x slow motion. The CMOS sensor. 1 by 1.3 inch offers 12 to 48 megapixel resolution with advanced technology. Quad buyer, offering flexibility for photo and video enthusiasts and professionals. The drone also features infrared sensors and a 3D TOF sensor at the front for precise obstacle detection. A multi-satellite GPS system and a vertical camera for optimal position hold, even indoors. 2S 3110 mAh Li-ion battery gives a flight time of 23 minutes. Ideal for long use, the G Flip supports RAW photos, panoramas, and 10-bit D-Log-M mode, perfect for editing. It includes hyperlapse and HDR functions to enhance images, improved connectivity speeds transfers. Perfect for editing and advanced video work. Plus, it includes a hyperlapse mode and HDR functions to enhance your images, even in challenging lighting conditions. Thanks to its improved Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, file transfers are faster. The files are quick and easy, providing unmatched flexibility. The G Flip is designed to provide an exceptional user experience. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, these propeller guards ensure safe flights, even in the presence of obstacles. The autonomous mode, inherited from Genio, offers features such as target tracking, send mode, for spectacular shots and circle flights around the subject. The JRC2 radio control, with its integrated screen, further simplifies the flight experience. Equipped with the OQ5 4.0 transmission protocol, it ensures a stable and smooth connection even at long distances. With a battery life of 3 hours and a quick recharge in just an hour and a half, it's perfect for those long flying sessions. The G-Fly app completes this setup by making it easy to manage settings, to plan automated flights and quickly transfer your images thanks to the quick transfer feature. The Find My Drone mode, integrated into the app, also allows you to quickly locate your device in case it gets lost, which is a huge plus for distracted users or in complex environments. Compared to the Mini 4 Pro, the G Flip stands out with its more compact design, innovative wing guards, and autonomous flying mode. Although it's slightly behind when it comes to detection. With limited obstacles detection in the front and downward directions, and compatibility with certain accessories like the gimbal or RC motion, it offers great value for the price. Its 4K performance, advanced shooting capabilities, and COI plume make it a top choice for content creators or casual users. Where it really shines is in its simplicity. Its user-friendly interface and ergonomic design make it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Moreover, its slightly better battery life compared to some competitors in its category makes it a strategic choice for extended sessions, especially in natural or urban environments. The Flip is much more than just a drone. It's a gateway to unique captures and unforgettable memories. Its compact design, propeller guards, and multiple shooting modes make it perfect for those looking for a simple yet high-performing experience. Whether you're a vlogger or a fan of stunning visuals, the Flip will meet your expectations. You can find all the additional information and the best deals in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment to share your thoughts. Like it, and subscribe to catch our upcoming product discoveries. Thanks for watching. See you soon. 감사.